Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is AMIRRA binti SALLEH, metric number 055166, and today I am going to show you how to create your own compiler. These are the requirements that are needed in order to create your own compiler. The first requirement is for you to install JDK 8, and I am going to show you how to do it. The Java is downloaded from the link given. Once it has loaded, just click Next. 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 And then finish. The second step is to install NetBeans IDE version 8.2. The software is downloaded from the link given. It will take some time to load, and once it's done, just click Next, and as usual, Next. Once the second step is done, we will go ahead and install the Antler Editor plugin. Click Tools and go ahead to Plugin and Downloads and click Add Plugins and look for the Antler that you have downloaded before. And then click Install, and then you can proceed as usual. Now that we are done with all the requirements that are needed to create our own compiler, we are going to go to steps to create the compiler. The first step is create Java application project. In order to do this, create new project on your NetBeans and use whatever name that you want, and you're done. So for the second step, you just have to add the Antler jar library from the Antler that we have downloaded earlier. Expand your Java application and click Libraries. Right-click it to add the jar folder and look for your jar folder location and open it. For the third step, you will have to create a grammar file. Just go into your source packages and click on your package name and click New, Other, and click Other again, and then click Empty File, and then Next, and then you can name the file. For this one, I am naming mine grammar 055166. And then finish. So we have created the grammar file for our project, and this is how the grammar file looks in the notepad. So we just copy paste it into our grammar file in the NetBeans. And change the grammar file name into the name that we put earlier. And also change the package name. Step 4, we have to modify the build.xml file. So the build.xml file is downloaded, and then we go ahead and click Files in the NetBeans and expand our file and open the build.xml file. Paste the coding from the one that we have downloaded. Look for the location of our Antler jar folder and paste it in the coding. And this is the location of the grammar file. And make sure the location of it is correct in your computer. Compile the project first, and then you will see that on the left side grammar files will appear. For step 5, we are creating a source code in the text document, which is .txt. First, download the sample code. In the compiler folder that you have created before, along with your Antler file, you have to create a new text document and rename it. And then open the sample code that you've downloaded earlier and copy the content and paste it into the new text document that you've created earlier. And save it. In the File Explorer, click View and tick File Name Extensions. And the last step would be to write the main function. You have to download compiler.java file. Once that is done, open NetBeans and open the main.java and open your compiler.java that you downloaded earlier in the notepad and copy the imports in the document, and then you can paste it in your main.java like so. Next, copy the try and catch section in the compiler.java and then you can go ahead and paste it in the public static void. You can change the location of the function into your own location of compiler in your computer. Next up, change the grammar lecture name into your file name. Mine is grammar 055166 lecture, and for the parser do the same. It's grammar 055166 parser. And then compile the project. Once it is successful, you can run the project and you will get the results of the calculation. In this project, I have already modified some of the numbers. Next, we are changing the function to args square bracket 0, and go ahead and search for your command prompt. And at the end of the output, copy the path and paste it in your command prompt here. And then you have to copy the path of your text file document that you've created earlier and paste it here. And then you're done. You have successfully created your own compiler. Thank you.